Testing of Hyundai HGN12 ACB. The basic settings were set by the request of the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the ACB manually. Then, we trip the ACB with the help of the UVT. Afterwards, we perform a short time delay test and we see that the air circuit breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we perform a long time delay test and we see that the breaker trips after about 20 seconds. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.